Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Welcome if you're new. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, and let's get right into this video. So Rosalind has sent me over a PR package, and this is their dip powder kit. So I'm just going to be using this in the video. First, I'm going to show you guys everything that comes inside, and then I will get into the nail set. So first, it comes with this little card, and it has a message on the back. Next, it comes with a little brush to wipe away the excess dip powder. Then it comes with a 100-180 grit nail file. So here are the dip powders. So when I first opened this, I realized it didn't have any dip liquids to go with it. So if you do plan on getting this, you will have to buy separate dip liquids. And here are the instructions on the back of the package. So I'm just going to show you guys a closer look of the jars. These jars are really small. They are 10 grams. I'm not really feeling these small jars, like compared to this brush. Like, this is how it looks compared to the brush, and it is really small. So I'm just going to show you guys a closer look of all of the colors, and these glitters are so pretty. I feel like they always look better in person, so it's just something you have to see with your own eyes. So the first set of colors were like glitters, a black, gray, and a white, and like a nudish color. Here is the second batch of colors, and this one has more like darker shades and lighter shades as well. So I do feel like this kit gives you a variety of colors. So those are all of the colors that comes in this kit. I will make sure that I leave the link to where you can get it down below. So to start off my nail set, I'm starting off with my nail prep. I haven't showed my nail prep in a while, so I just decided to go ahead and show you guys in this video. But I'm just taking my cuticle pusher and I'm just pushing back my cuticles. And then once I finish pushing back my cuticles, I'm just going to take my circle cuticle drill bit, and I'm just going around the cuticles to further remove up any dead skin. And that step is so satisfying. So once I remove that dust, I'm just going in with the hand file that came in the kit, and I'm just going to lightly remove the shine from my natural nails. And notice how I'm not doing my thumb. I'm actually saving my thumb to do a TikTok, which I may not post because I actually didn't like how the recording process went, because recording for TikTok is like a difficult process. I'm not sure if you guys have tried to, but it's just like you don't get enough time inside the app, or like when you record using your regular gallery, it's just like you have to edit, and it's just like so much more work. So it may or may not get posted. I just wanted to mention that. But the nail tips I'm using are these pre-shaped coffin nail tips. I will make sure that I link these as well. So I'm just going to apply these using my KDS nail glue. And like I mentioned, this kit didn't have any dip liquids, so I'm pulling out my double dip liquids, and I'm pulling out these step 2 and 3, which is the base and the activator. But before I go in with the dip powder application, I did put a layer of base coat on my nails just so that I wouldn't mess up my nail beds. And once those were out the light, I just went ahead and took some alcohol and just removed that tacky layer from that base coat. And then I'm just going to go in with my dip powder application. So I'm starting with step 2, which is the base, and the base just acts as a glue for the dip powder. And as you guys see, like, these jars are super small and my nails are too big to fit inside of the jars. And this is why I say it is so inconvenient for like people who like long nails. Like, it's just so hard to do dip powder. So I'm just taking a full cover nail tip and I'm just pouring it onto my nail, trying to get every spot as best as I can. And then I just tapped off the excess dip powder, and then I'm just going to repeat that on the same nail. So I picked out all of these colors. I wasn't sure what I was going to do. These colors just caught my attention, so I pulled all of them out and I actually ended up using all of them. I'm just going to do different colors on each nail. And then it's not really that much to explain, like, it's self-explanatory. I'm just going to let you guys finish watching up the video. I'll come back if I need to like let you guys know something, or I may put it on the screen. I didn't want this video to have like a long drawn out voiceover, so I'm just going to let you guys watch this process. So I did 3 more coats on my nails just to build them up. Next I'm going to go in with the activator, and I'm just going to generously apply this to all of the nails. The activator is just to harden all of the dip powders, so you want to make sure that you put a good bit on them so that it goes down and harden up all of the layers of dip powder, so that you're able to file and it don't crumble up or get too soft. So once I was done filing up the nails, I'm just removing the dust from the nails. And see here on my middle finger, it's like a little indent right at that tip. So I wanted to add some rhinestones to like kind of disguise that. So I went ahead and added it already to my pinky and middle finger. I'm just going to show you guys how I did it on my index. Basically all I did was apply some top coat to the entire nail. And without caring, I just started putting the rhinestones along the tip and sides of the nail, stopping it to where like my natural nail meets the nail tip, kind of like sort of in that area. So that's all I'm going to do. Once I get them lined up straight, I'm just going to cure and add my cuticle oil. So like I mentioned, I did want to save my thumb to do a TikTok video, so that's why you guys didn't see me do it in this video today. I finished up my index and then I also did my thumb off camera. So now I have a finished set and this is how the nails turned out. These are so cute. I love these colors so much. I just feel like they go so well with each other. I am loving this rhinestone border on the nails, and that glitter is just so pretty in the sunlight, in person. Like, it's just something you have to see with your own eyes. Comment down below what you guys think of this nail set. I will make sure that I leave the link to this kit down below. And as always, if you have made it this far, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.